Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. First, click the Add Channel button at the top of your Teams channel list to open the Create a Channel dialog. In the channel name, Design, type in whatever you want to call your new channel. For this example, I'm using Channel Name. Click the Add button at the bottom right, and Teams will create your channel, which appears in the sidebar underneath your team name. The channel opens automatically with a welcome message, and you're ready to start posting and sharing files with your team. If you don't see the Add Channel button, check with your team owner. They may need to give you channel creation permissions in the team settings. You can always rename or delete a channel later by clicking the three dots next to its name in the sidebar. To make a channel private so only specific members can see it, look for the Privacy dropdown in the Create dialog before you click Add. Standard channels are visible to everyone in the team by default. And that's how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.